Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to search for photos in your phone on your Google Lens. So if you want to search for something which you have taken a picture of and you want to use Google Lens to see what it is, then let me show you how to do this. So we're going to use the Google Lens widget, which looks like this. So to search for something which you have taken a photograph of, go ahead and tap on this lens icon here. Now you want to go ahead and tap on the upload button, which is here at the top bottom left. Go ahead and find the photo. So for example, this one here. Now using that photo, Google Lens will help you find what that item is. So as you can see, it has suggested the Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G mobile phone. So yes, it is that mobile phone. And you can see all the different search results which it's giving you. Go ahead and tap on any of them, and this will take you to the item itself and where to buy the item. So with this feature, you can open a photo from a gallery using Google Photos. You can tap the lens icon and Google will analyze the image to give you information or perform actions like identifying the product, landmark, or text on it. So there you go, guys. That is how to search for photos in your phone on Google Lens.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.